In this video, we will learn how to take input from the user in Python. First, I will create our script file with gedit editor and name it npx for an example, input example and .py. And inside here, I'm going to call built-in function input. It will prompt the user. The message you pass in over here, it will be shown to the user. I will enter here, please enter your first name. And when it waits for the user's response, when the user enters something, then it will return us as a string. So I will save the result in a variable. I will call it fname. And also I will add a colon. It will look better when we will prompt the user. Now I'm just gonna print this fname and need to check this. So to run this, you can use Python or Python 3 in_ex.py. That's our script name, and hit enter. You can see the prompt over here. Please enter your first name. I will add Tom, and Tom gets printed. So when we use this input function, it asks the user to enter some value and return us as a string. So if we want to add two numbers, for example, and how we can do that, for example, we can see I will declare a variable x and save the value in x and ask the user to enter some number. Please enter first number to add, and we need two numbers to add, so I'm going to copy this thing and paste it over here and change x to y over here, so we have two variables, and modify this thing and call it second number. Please enter second number to add. I will add those two. I will comment these two lines, we don't need this now, and save it. So the issue over here is when we ask the user to enter a number, for example, if we add or enter 5s, this input function will return number 5 as a string to us in x variable. So over here, well, when we ask for the second number, if the person add any number such as 5 again, it will also return as a string, not a number. So it's an issue. You can see what happens if we add two strings instead of numbers. So I will have another variable where I will suppose to save a sum of these two numbers and then print the sum. Save and run, and just hit enter. It asking for first number, I will add 5. To the second, I will also add 5 again. Instead of it giving us a 10, it gave us 55. What happened over here? The issue is because it returned as a string, so this, instead of adding two numbers, it's adding a string or concatenating a string. For example, over here, it's look like this. First, the person entered 5. In X, there is a string 5, so just in double quote. And then we ask to enter second number. Again, enter 5 as a string. And then we save the sum of string 5 plus 5, the sum of the string in Z, that becomes 5, 5. Like this in a string. It is string concatenation. Instead of adding two numbers, we are adding two string. So what's the solution for this? We need to convert the string into numbers. How we can do that? For example, if I do well1 and save in this one, we are going to use built-in function int, which can convert the string to a number. So we'll toss in x, and then well to pass in, call int and pass in y. So we can convert y to integer value. So now we have well1 and well2 as numbers, and we will sum. The sum will be saved in z or z, and then we are going to print this sum. Now let's run it again. I will add 5. For the second, I will add 5 again. And you can see it gave us 10 instead of 55. So this is working okay now. So if you want to take an input as a string and don't want to add or do any other calculation on it, then you can keep that thing as a string. But if you want or use them as a number, you can convert into integer. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.